Hello YouTube. I want to quickly show you how easy it is to use Audacity. Last time I mentioned this, I think I mispronounced it. But anyway, two major settings have to be done before you can use this. You got to go to Audio Setup, Device, Host. Well, yeah, Host. I'm using Windows WAS API for the host. And for device playback, 2 speakers, high definition, recording device, 2 speakers, high definition loopback. What happened was when Windows updated, it created a duplicate of one of those files in the recording, not in the playback devices, and it stopped the software from working. So I had to go into settings and play around until I finally figured it out. And yeah, now it's working again, thank God. But don't you just love how updates screw around with your brain and disable your installed software and make you have to do extra work now to figure out what went wrong or how to fix it? And it's terrible. And especially with new updates, there's absolutely no support out there whatsoever. You're like on your own. If you're technical like me, you can maybe get lucky and figure it out. If you're like most people, it's like forget it, you know. And that's the bottom line, okay? But anyway, moving forward, let's show you how quickly you can record something here. So I hit the record button, and you notice nothing happens, of course, because it's waiting. What's nice about this program, it actually waits for audio input. So down here, we'll open up YouTube. Try to pick something. I'll go to my channel. Something quick to record, because I can't get in trouble recording my own videos. So yeah, I did a video about 3 days ago about the same problem I had with the program, Audio. I say Audacity, but it's not pronounced that way. Hello YouTube. I was using this program here, Audacity. If I'm pronouncing that correctly. Audacity. But let me stop that right there.
Take the files for my own personal use.
Go back to here. Shut that off. Okay. Go back to the Audacity. You can see how it recorded stuff. See that there? If I hit play, the play button's over here. Hit play. There's a big gap there. I'll stop that. I'll show you how to fix that. You highlight all of this, and then with a right click, you use the first one, which is cut. With a left click, you hit cut, and now it's gone. And now I hit play again.
Hello YouTube. I was using this program here, Audacity.
No, it's Audacity. But anyway, so now we have that. Let me show you how to edit some more of it. Again, take the mouse, left click, drag, right click, cut, and we'll play it again. Why ain't it playing?
Hello YouTube. I was using this program here, Audacity.
Okay. So now we created an audio file from one of my videos. Now how do you save it? I'll show you. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better. Here's how you save it. You go File, Export Audio. And then it's just these check boxes. Stereo, of course you'd want stereo. Export range entire project. Yeah, after you get done editing it, I'm sure you want. And your format is WAV. Oh, there's a bunch of formats here, which I did. Oh, I didn't know it did MP2s. Oh, and MP3s. No kidding. It does MP3s. I did not know that, because I never explored this before. Yeah, because MP3s are a lot smaller than WAV files. But yeah, that's cool. Did not know that. Because I have another program upstairs at my other computer that converts WAV files to MP3s. I did not know this program itself was capable of exporting directly to MP3. That's great. That saves me a lot of work for the next time I want to record and save something for myself, of course. And then up here in the top box, you give it your own name. I highlight that, hit delete, and we'll just call it Bob. And then right now it's gonna, the path is in the next box. It's gonna go to C, users, administrators, desktop. It's gonna write to my desktop, and I just hit export. And now it's saved. Now if I put these windows down, both of them, and there it is right there, Bob MP3. I'll hit on it. And Windows Media Player is going to open and play it.
Hello, YouTube. I was using this program here, Audacity. Hello, YouTube.
Yeah, so that's how that works. So that program exported as an MP3 that could be put on a flash drive and, you know, plugged into your car's stereo or whatever, you know, or you go to work, you have a player that takes flash drive, whatever. That's great. So I'm going to drop this in the trash can. I don't need that. But again, that just quickly shows you how well this works. And I also found one other thing that kind of annoys me with this program. If you just close it or do a file new, it opens up another instance of the program. It's always best to just go file close first. And then it'll ask you, do you want to save these changes? And I just say no, because I already exported the data. So I'm just going to say no. And then it just reopens another instance of itself. So now again, if I want to record something else from YouTube or anywhere else, I just hit the record button, and it's just going to wait until it hears audio, which is great. It's just going to sit there idle. It'll record nothing up until that point when you actually start to play something, say on YouTube, whatever it may be. So that's how Audacity works. Great program. I said I had some problem with it in the beginning because of the Windows update, but we got around that, and time to move on, right? So I wish to thank all of you for watching, joining my channel. Please subscribe, please share, and we'll see you all again later. Have a great night and a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.